Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add more columns on your LibreOffice writer for a table in your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So I just need to insert more columns in the table in your LibreOffice writer. Just going to show how to make this. So for an example, here there is a one column, here two columns. So I just need at least a 6 column or 7 column like that. So first I just going to show how to make this. So you can just see this is a column. So I just need to insert a column. First of all, I just going to insert a column here, and also I just need to insert a column next to here. So just click any cell you just needed on that column, and right click here. You have option called insert. Just click this, and here you have option called insert column before or insert column after. So I just need to insert a column before, and just going to insert a column after. So like this. And you have an option to insert column on the bottom. You can see an option here, so you can just insert more columns like this, just clicking, or just click on the insert option. Then you have option called column, so you can just select number of column you just need to insert. So like increase it, and you can select before or after and click OK. So now you can see how many columns has been inserted. There is a lot of columns. So this is how you just insert the columns on your LibreOffice writer. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.